Next, we'll go for the HEV. Okay. First question. A Mendelian experiment consists of breeding pea plant bearing violet flowers with pea bearing plants white flowers. What will be the result in F1 progeny? Before that, let's see if we have HEV's one. What is the question here? A Mendelian experiment consists of pea plant bearing violet flowers. Bearing white flowers. Violet or purple, it's same. Pea, one plant, it's crossed with white flowers, small p, small p. What will be the result we'll get, right? What we will get? Heterozygous pea plant with violet flower in F1 generation, okay? In F1 plants or progeny, offspring. Roshni, understood?
Yes.
Okay. In next question, how many pairs of chromosome are present in human beings? This one, easy. 23 pairs of chromosomes are present. Third one, an organism which is a worm has very simple eyes that are really eye spots which detect light. Name that organism. Very simple eyes, planaria, okay? And this, it detects light. What is this evolutionary significance of Fozzie Archaeopteryx? Its significance is that from this fossil we can infer that the birds are evolved from reptiles. So this is the collecting link between birds and reptiles. Give an example of characteristic being used to determine what relationship do two species have in terms of evolution. For this we can say homologous organ and analogous. Or here in the homologous organ, what? Origin is same, right? Origin is same for homologous organ. They have similar structures but their function will be different. In case of analogous organ, what will happen? Their structure origin will be different, but the function they perform will be same. In this case, insect wing and the bird wing. Here the structure is different, but the performance, the wing is used for the flight. Study the following cross showing self-pollination. In F1, fill in the blanks, answer the question. So this is in the above question, what is the combination of character in F2 generation? What are the ratio from parents? Next, what will happen? This is the F1 generation. In F2 generation, what we will be getting? 4 combination, okay? We have already studied this here in the class, right? Okay, round yellow, this is in dominant, and wrinkled green, recessive case. Both are crossed. What we are getting? We are getting round yellow. And again, both are crossed, round yellow and round yellow. Okay, what combination will be getting? We'll getting this combination. We will have what? Yellow round, yellow wrinkled and green wrinkled. So the ratio will be 9:3:1. What is the next question? Give reasons for the appearance of the new combination of character in F1 generation. Why? We have round yellow here because this explains that round yellow is dominant. In dominant, they are dominant trait. They are dominant over what? Wrinkled and green. Because in the next, in F2 generation, we do get wrinkled and green combination. Next question, 7th one. Name the plant Mendel used for his experiment. What type of progeny was obtained by Mendel in F1 and F2 generation when he crossed tall and short plants? Write the ratio he obtained in F2 plant. Here we have what plant he used? Pea plant. Crossed tall and short plant. Tall and the short plant. What did he get? He got tall plant. Okay. And here the question they are asking is in F2. Wait, what type of progeny was obtained by plant in F1 and F2 generation? In F1 generation, what did he get? He got heterozygous tall. In F2 generation, what did he get? He got 3 tall and 1 dwarf. So 3:1. Okay, write the ratio he obtained in F2 generation. 3:1. That is your answer. Next 8th question. Does genetic combination of mother plays a significant role in determination in determining the sex of newborn? No. Why? Because females, they always have XX, while the male, they will be having XY. So from here we will be getting X. Here we can get X or Y. So if it is XY, it will be male child. And if it XX, it will be female. Next question, what are homologous structure? Give an example. Is it necessary that homologous structure have a common ancestor? Yes. And homologous structure, what do they have? They have common ancestor because their structure is similar, but they perform different function. Example, forearms of frog, lizard, bird, man. This is the example. Next question. What are fossils? Describe briefly two methods of determining the age of fossil. What are fossils? Fossils are what preserved traces of living organism lived for millions of years. Two methods are what? One method is the surface layer method. The deeper layers are older, okay? And the next one is isotope, ratios of different isotope. It's determined. Okay. So next method is fossil material. Next, 11th question. Give reason for your choice. A person first cross pure breed pea plant having round yellow seed with pure breed pea plant having wrinkled green seed. Pure breed means it is homozygous, okay? That is round yellow. And it is crossed with wrinkled yellow. No, green. Only A, B type of seeds were produced in F1 generation. Okay. So only A, B type of seeds were produced. In F1 generation, pea plants having A, B type of seeds were crossbreed by self-pollination. Then in addition, the original yellow wrinkled seeds, two new varieties, AD and CV type of seeds were also obtained. What are AB type of seeds we will be getting in this case? Round and yellow, okay? So AB type of seed will be round and yellow, dominant character. Next, state whether A and B are dominant traits or recessive trait. A and B will be what? Dominant. Okay. A in this case will be round. B will be yellow. What are AD types of seed? So AD will be round green and CV wrinkled yellow. Like this you can infer. Out of AB and AD types of seed, which one will be producing minimum and which will be maximum in F2 generation? This is minimum. It is asking about AB. Right? AB is round yellow and wrinkled yellow. Based on this, which will be produced in minimum number? Wrinkled yellow, obviously. Wrinkled yellow is what? 3. And in round yellow, we have 9. Maximum number of seeds, right? 9. A trait may be inherited, but may not be expressed. Justify this statement with the help of suitable example. Suitable example is this example. This is the suitable example. You can see here, we can take two pure breed pea plant, tall and short. When we are crossing, we are getting what? Tall. All tall plants we are getting. But again, if we are taking tall and tall, we are crossing it again. What we are getting? We are getting tall, and short, right? So here the trait is inherited, right? And in first generation, it is not expressed. In the second generation only, it is expressed. Okay, understood?